Curious about the fuse box diagram and location for the 2022 and 2023 Tata Altroz? This guide provides detailed information to help you understand and access the fuse boxes, ensuring smooth electrical system maintenance for your vehicle. Battery-mounted fuse box diesel. The battery-mounted fuse box diesel protects essential electrical circuits directly at the battery source. It ensures efficient power distribution and safeguards against overloads or short circuits. The compact design allows easy installation and maintenance. Battery-mounted fuse box petrol. The battery-mounted fuse box petrol ensures secure and efficient power distribution directly from the battery. It protects critical electrical components from overloads and short circuits. Its compact design allows for easy access and maintenance. Engine compartment fuse box diesel. The engine compartment fuse box diesel efficiently manages and protects electrical circuits in the engine bay. It safeguards essential components from overloads and electrical faults. Its strategic placement ensures easy access for inspection and maintenance. Engine compartment fuse box petrol. The engine compartment fuse box petrol protects and manages electrical circuits in the engine bay. It safeguards vital components from electrical faults and overloads. The accessible design allows for quick inspection, maintenance, and troubleshooting. cabin compartment fuse box. The cabin compartment fuse box manages and protects the electrical circuits within the vehicle's interior. It safeguards essential systems like infotainment, lighting, and climate control. Its accessible location allows for convenient inspection and fuse replacement.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade, fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.